Hey there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a playground with a slider. Are you ready to get started? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's dive in. Let's start by drawing the slider. Begin with a smooth, curved line from the top left of your paper, going down to the bottom right. Now, draw another line parallel to it and connect them at the bottom with a small curve. That's the sliding part where all the fun happens. Next, we need to add the ladder so kids can climb up and slide down. Draw a straight line going up from the left side of the slider. Then, add another line parallel to it. Connect these two lines with small horizontal steps. Now we have a ladder leading up to our slide. Now, let's give our playground a nice, soft ground. Draw a big oval shape around the bottom of the slider and ladder. This is the area where kids can safely play. To make our playground even more fun, let's add some grass and a small flower tree around the slider. Draw little zigzag lines around the ground to create the grass. Then, draw a small tree with a few flowers on one side of the playground. It looks so cheerful. Our drawing is complete, but let's make it pop by outlining everything with our black marker. Trace over all the lines to make them bold and sharp. Whoa! Our playground slider is looking amazing and ready for some fun. Now it's time to add some color. We'll use rainbow colors to make our playground bright and happy. First, red. Next is orange. Now, let's use yellow. Time for some green. Here comes blue. And finally, purple. Wow, look at our beautiful playground. You did an awesome job making it so colorful and fun. Don't forget to share your amazing drawings with us. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing and having fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.